Good evening, folks. It's Diamond with the Oppenheimer Ranch Project, bringing you a grand solar minimum update. Monday, February 4th, midnight. It's not your fault. It's Al's fault. But you're looking at the GFS models. Keep calm. It's boom time. More snow, winds, prompt warning in the Sierras. She's so worried that, look at how her hood looks matted and she keeps looping. Keeps going on and on and on. I don't even know if we'll be able to get that footage. We didn't plan on it. We don't plan on much. A forecast of more intense snowfall and powerful winds in the Sierra Nevada has prompted authorities to issue blizzard and avalanche warnings on Sunday and say that conditions in the mountains could become life-threatening. Up to 6 feet predicted in the Tahoe region overnight alone. A winter storm sweeping across California and Nevada has dumped as much as 8 feet of snow over the past 2 days. As predicted. Shut up, Al. Get your hole. Much more is expected in the next 2 days as additional cold weather systems will bring widespread snow and showers with powers in the coming moments. The National Weather Service said 8 feet fell in the June Mountain Ski Resort of North Mammoth Lakes and up to 3 feet were reported in the resorts of Lake Tahoe since Friday. Forecasters said blizzards from Sunday night into Monday night could bring another 5 feet around Lake Tahoe, another 8 feet to the highest elevations of the crest, and light snow down in the foothills. They are not kidding. We're clicking on it. That's how important this is. Let's open this link in a new tab. Did someone say tab? I'd love to do a tab. National Weather Service Reno looking delightful. A blizzard warning has been issued for the Sierra from midnight tonight to 10 p.m. Monday. Strong winds will produce zero visibility and whiteout conditions, along with high drifting situations. Situations will be deadly. Strong winds will produce zero visibility, whiteout conditions, along with high drifting in the snow. This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation. Yes, it is. Let's open that image. That's probably a great cover. Boom! We've already been here. Wow! Sierra blizzard warning. Zero visibility, strong winds, heavy snow, midnight through 10 p.m. Monday. That will not be your fun day. Tahoe, 4 to 8 feet. Greater than 7,000 feet, 2 to 5 at lake level. Mono County, 4 to 8 feet above 7,000, 1 to 2 along Highway 395. 100 mile hour. It's a 100 mile per hour on ridge tops. Are you wearing flip-flops? Ow! Up to 50 miles per hour everywhere else. I mean, we're approaching the magnetic reversal, for God's sakes. Zero visibility, whiteout conditions, high avalanche danger, drifting so. Say it ain't so! But that's a boom. Whew. I don't even know what that is, but that's amazing. Probably something to do with it. Someone told me that has something to do with it. Blizzard warnings. They are not schmornings. They're warnings, and you better heed them. Heed them like you smoke the weedum. We're trying to shut this down. We're doing it. We're doing it live. Heavy snow through Tuesday. Buried. Buried. You're going to be buried. I hope you have a jacket and a shovel. Do you have a jacket and a shovel? We have very limited connectivity. Hot off the presses. Latest forecast. Whew. That's not that important. Storm update. 5 minutes in, 6 more feet of snow possible at Lake Tahoe. A winter storm that has already dropped more than 2 feet of snow at some ski resorts, including 6 to 8 feet of snow in others, could bring another 6 feet to the high country of the Sierras. A lot of people getting a lot of money that move snow currently. Sunday will bring a mix of heavy snow and strong winds, which could bring blizzard conditions Sunday night through your Monday. The most hazardous conditions in the Sierras will be from midnight tonight to 10 a.m. Monday, according to the National Weather Service. Avoid travel if possible. You could be stuck in your truck like Chuck. So bring some weed and a Ouija board. If you must travel, prepare for long delays. Carry an emergency kit, extra food, water, clothing, and the other items I mentioned. If you stay home, well, you can still smoke a bone and have a backup plan in case of power outages, which means a generator and a little buddy propane heater. Yeah, which is not a schmeater, it's a heater. And it'll keep you warm. Oh, God, it's so cozy by the tent, camping inside. Winds could be 50-mile-per-hour gusts as strong as 100 over the Sierra Ridges Sunday into your Monday. Snow amounts during that time could total 1 to 2 feet at lake level, 7,000 or lower, 2 to 4 feet from 7-8, and 5 to 1 million feet above that. Boom! That's 1 million booms above the feet. I think I have a foot fetish. I don't know. I like socks. Okay, we're all froze up. Somebody's listening. It's creepy. Boom! Let's get back to it. Whew. Laser beam much? Oh, maybe it's the cosmic rays. Hot off the presses, 0.5 to 3 inches across the lowlands. Seattle, highest amounts along the Northeast Olympic Peninsula. Admiralty Inlet, important to keep in mind. Heaviest amounts will be spotty or shoddy. I don't even know what that means. Apparently people were celebrating a ½ an inch of snow. Ask Tom. Chi-Town just had 16 straight days of snow. Is that a record, Tom? Tom! Dear Kent, no, it was not. We came close, but fell short just of the city's record, 18 straight days with at least a trace by 2. But it was damn close. So damn close that we almost beat the February 9th, whatever, 1960 record. Yeah, we almost did it, but we didn't. We didn't do it, but we were close. We tried. Chi-Town woman books 30 rooms for homeless people, and she gets Diamond's Oppenheimer Ranch Project Hero of the Year Award. Extreme cold conditions. This woman deserves a Medal of Honor. Please watch the video. More than 100 homeless people in Chi-Town were given a warm place to stay because this woman opened up her heart and her checkbook. Yeah, it's badass.
Chicago woman whose act of kindness kept dozens of homeless people out of the deadly cold. Candace Payne put 20 hotel rooms on her credit card as temperatures plummeted to -20. Adding to the misery, a propane tank fire forced some homeless people to evacuate their camp.
Wow, takes your breath away listening to that act of kindness. Eventually, Payne and other Good Samaritans rented 60 hotel rooms for about 80 people. Our Chicago station WBBM spoke with her.
It lets us know that people do want to help. They just, maybe they didn't know how to start, and where to start to help, So I'm glad that, I was able to be that vehicle and have a lot of people jump on the vehicle with me.
Wow, what a beautiful vehicle she was. Payne says they want to find permanent homes for some of those hotel guests.